Police in Bulawayo on Tuesday blocked teachers from staging a peaceful march to mark the opening of a regional sports event amid growing fears of escalating protests calling for President Emerson Mnangagwa's resignation. The regime, it is frightening. It is trying by its own means to withstand Iowa forces the attacks I receive from its own people against our the resignation of Cameroon. You can subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. TV na mnamu branch from Chinzi. The Association of Non-Alliance Teachers Unions of Southern Africa and TUSA hosted its annual sports festival from 17 to 20 April, bringing together sports educators from across the country. However, efforts by the Progressive Teachers Union of Zimbabwe (PTUZ) to lead a short symbolic march were thwarted by the authorities. PTUZ spokesperson Peter Machenjere said the police denied them permission to march a short distance from Sadc shopping center to use a teachers college, a stretch of just 500 to 700 meters. In quotes, we wrote to the police seeking permission to give an official march to mark our presence in Bulawayo, Machenjere said, but they denied us that chance to march and market ourselves just to show we were here. Machenjere also revealed that the request also government support through the Public Service Commission (PSC) was ignored. As PTUZ, we wrote to government seeking assistance with the transport. Remember, we have Public Service Commission buses, but we received no response, he said. We even wrote asking for financial assistance to host the games, but there was no response as well. Despite the police blockage and the lack of government support, the event proceeded successfully, with the Minister of Primary and Secondary Education, Torai Moyo, officially opening the festival on Sunday. In his speech, Moyo praised PTUZ for organizing the event, saying, "Antusa Games foster camaraderie among nations, promoting understanding and respect through the universal language of sport. As we cheer for our teams and celebrate their achievements, let us embrace the values of collaboration and mutual support that these games embody." Leo mashika mdanyo panapa tudze mafunguro enyi muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi awapena comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyi atukona panguva ito the Geza effect airi konzeresa mapurisa. Now they are blocking these events ari kunokwanzi they are directly attributed to attacking mtukamiri wenyika. Kuti subscribe, like, or turn on the bell icon.